Are you tired of overpacking for your trips and still feeling like you have nothing to wear? In this video, I'm going to share with you my unique and professional approach probably you have never seen before. So I will show you how to create 30 elegant and put together outfits using only 9 main pieces. So stick around and you'll discover how to pack light while looking chic, elegant and put together and polished every single day of your vacation. Hello beautiful people, my name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist with over 12 years of experience. One important thing you want to know is that the style logic behind working with your travel capsule wardrobe is different from the one behind creating your regular seasonal capsule wardrobe. Let me explain why. The travel capsule has an anchor we should start from, and this anchor is your footwear. Why, you may ask? So this is because this is the heaviest part of your luggage, of your wardrobe, and the most important part of your outfit. First off, shoes take up the biggest part of your luggage, and this is the most important part because you can easily buy a t-shirt, a tank top, or even a bikini top at the local store of your hotel, but it's almost impossible to find a proper pair of shoes, sandals, sneakers, like whatever, that you can wear on long walks during excursions or some other active parts of your trip without breaking them in first. So we start by looking at your closet and picking out at least 2 pairs of well-worn, trustworthy 2 pairs of shoes, at least 2 pairs of shoes. In my case, these are canvas trainers for the most active part of the day and sandals for the beach, pool area and laid-back relaxation time. And yes, I have created a specific capsule wardrobe to illustrate what I mean, so you can easily use my links in the description box to take my capsule wardrobe, or you can just follow my style logic to create your own capsule wardrobe for your own trip. Okay, now one more time, these are our style anchors we have to start from because shoes are the most important part of your trip. Now, they determine the color and style corridor, like a framework we should follow if you want to create absolutely cohesive and coordinated wardrobe. And if we're talking about small capsule wardrobe, this is something we have to keep in mind. Our capsule wardrobe has to be beautifully, perfectly coordinated. Every one piece has to be easily combined with any other piece. That's why we start with the style anchors and we follow the style logic of our anchors, making sure that everything is easily coordinated inside of our small capsule. Now, rule number 2, lean towards printed pieces rather than light colored plain pieces. Printed pieces can easily conceal stains, marks, any mishaps that might happen during your travels. It's not a 100% magic pill, okay? But it can save you from many awkward situations, well, if you know what I mean. I'm showing you the 3 bottoms that I have chosen for my capsule wardrobe: linen shirts, lightweight printed pants, and a wrap skirt. By the way, I love this ruching detail at the front of the skirt. It beautifully conceals your lower tummy, and the bias cut adds a nice touch to our capsule. Like in general, bias cut is a beautiful option for curvy ladies, no matter where we're talking about skirts or dresses. Speaking of which, I have also included a floral shirt dress. It's a great choice since it can be worn as a second layer and be worn partially unbuttoned. I will show you all the possible outfits a bit later. Third rule, the number of tops should be greater than the number of bottoms. First off, tops get worn and stained faster than bottoms. And second, tops determine our portrait zone, the area we focus on while having conversation, and this means by swapping the top, we instantly create the illusion of changing the entire outfit. I am showing you the 5 tops that I have picked for this capsule: 2 printed t-shirts, 1 tank top, and a striped cotton button-up and a printed linen shirt sleeve button-up. And the last hack here before we move on to the outfit formulas: choose a canvas hat and a canvas bag. They don't take up much space in your luggage compared to my favorite straw bags and classic straw hats. Yes, they look, straw hats and straw bags, they look so chic and so elegant, but they are so difficult to transport in your luggage during the flight. A canvas or a crochet bag can be a really nice alternative to all those beautiful basket straw handbags, and especially a canvas hat is much easier to wear since it doesn't look as pretentious compared to all those beautiful straw hats. And don't get me wrong, I love those beautiful hats, they look so gorgeous and elegant, but let's be honest and let's be realistic, not everyone has the courage to wear them. So I have included two handbags into my capsule wardrobe. The crochet bag that I love, it's perfect for beach and pool time, or a nice accent for a city stroll, and a lightweight canvas crossbody bag, because crossbody bags are the best for long walks. We all know that this is the most comfortable option. And keep it in mind that everything is in coordinated color and pattern, making sure that every one piece can be easily combined with any other piece in your luggage. And before we continue, just a gentle reminder, especially for those who are new to my channel, I have developed a very simple yet highly effective style quiz. Take this quiz, it will take just a few moments, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. This wardrobe plan is designed to help you pinpoint what you might be doing wrong while shopping and while creating your outfits, and guide you towards better decisions. Thousands of women have already taken the quiz, and it helped them take their first step towards creating their own personal style and feeling confident in putting together everyday morning outfits. This might be your first step. You know where to find the link. And now, moving on to the most interesting part, I have created a capsule wardrobe that gives us 22 outfits covering all the possible occasions. Here's how it looks. And we're starting with outfits featuring shorts. As I promised, these outfits are unique and not boring at all. We have absolutely stylish and chic looks that are so comfy and nice to wear. You can wear a single top or layer two tops, leaving the upper layer unbuttoned for a relaxed look. Now, you know, frankly speaking, looking at this capsule wardrobe, I'm thinking like, should I buy it to wear it myself? Because I think it's so good and so chic. Yes, now moving on to the outfit formulas with flowy pants. So actually we follow the same outfit formulas here with these flowy pants. And actually these are more 7 outfits, and now we have like almost 14 outfits, 2 weeks. And now 5 more outfits with the skirt. We're already at 19 outfits. And now the short dress comes into the play. We can wear it as a single piece or as a second layer, unbuttoned or partially done up. For example, with shorts, we can button it at the top and leave it unbuttoned at the lower part. This is why I chose this short dress first, to wear it as a second layer, and second, and this is important, hear me out, because it has a belt. So what I mean here is we can pull the belt at the back to define the waistline and avoid a bulky silhouette. So yes, belted short dresses are perfect for a small summer capsule wardrobes. And we are already at 22 outfits, and that's almost a month of not repeating, and I think that's more than enough. But actually, if you use the same logic and choose your swimwear thoughtfully, you might end up with even more looks, and at the very least, you'll maximize chic and elegant outfits for the pool area. And you can create at least 8 more outfits using your bikini top for your styling. Be chic everywhere. The beach is just another location to look good and enjoy your style. Plus, beaches always have cute cafes where you might want to have lunch, so be prepared to look good even in the middle of your beach day. So here we are, 30 outfits out of 9 main pieces and just a few accessories. So you might say like, Elena, 30 outfits is just too much for a 1-week vacation. Well, I don't think so, because you might change outfits up to 3 times in a day, because like for example, morning beach relaxation, then a city excursion or a long walk in the city, and then eventually a night out. So what I mean here is that we tend to change our outfits more often than we do it in our like regular life. And yes, what I love about this capsule wardrobe is that it can easily fit into your carry-on luggage, especially if you're wearing one of the outfits to the airport, like this one, for example. You'll still have some additional space for a few more tank tops, t-shirts or white denim jacket, for example, if you are worried it might be chilly at night. And voila, you're ready to go. You're so welcome to use my links in the description box. This is a specific capsule wardrobe that I have created for you. And by the way, I have added some of additional links, like for example, if you prefer to have a larger tote bag, I have found similar design in a larger size, so I have covered you up. Everything is in the description box. Or use my style logic to create your own capsule wardrobe for your own trip and eventually enjoy every single day of your vacation without worrying what to wear, how to accessorize and everything else. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope I brought some value to you. If I did, please share this video, subscribe, like, well, you know the drill, and see you in the next one. I can see that you are still here. It means you want to watch another video from Elena Hugh. My recommendation would be look chic in the heat. I have 6 professional tips on how to look elegantly chic, polished, pulled together when it's extremely hot outside. Click to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.